Yes, you're getting my voice right. Okay. So in last class we discussed about the concept like what is that TypeScript and how to install the TypeScript, right? We are discussing one program based on this concept. Yes. Actually, in this program, this we are discussing how to use TypeScript logics, how to create the program in TypeScript, and how to run that program. These concepts we are going to discuss now. Okay, so first of all, once again, we're discussing the last concepts which I explained to you. So first, to work with this Angular, yes, we are using TypeScript. Yes, so TypeScript we have to install. So TypeScript, from where we are installing here, node repository. From that location we are installing. So node repository means nothing but the location. Nothing but the location to install the packages of various technologies like Angular, TypeScript, React, etc. etc. Okay, yes. So we are installing with the help of these packages here. So node repository. What is node repository? It is nothing but a location provides the packages of various technologies. Angular, React, etc. Yes, in this point of we take the support of this node repository. Okay. You want to install the TypeScript packages or you want to install Angular packages or any other packages, then we are using node repository. So the required package you want to install from node repository, we're taking the support of one program. Which program support we're taking here? npm. Yes, stands for node package manager. What is this program here? npm. So our full form is stands for what? Node package manager. It is a program to install the packages like TypeScript, Angular, etc. From where? Node repository. From this node repository, we are installing these packages. Okay. Yes. Now npm is available in which location? Node.js. Means first we have to install Node.js. After that we are getting the npm program. Then we can install TypeScript or Angular, which one you want. Okay, Express.js, everything available in this node repository. Okay, Node.js. So by installing Node.js, we can get npm. Yes. By installing Node.js, we're getting what? npm program. Like. So these are the different types of packages which we are using here. So TypeScript is a software. We are using this in which point of view? Yes, to work with npm. Sorry, to work with the Angular. But first we should install this TypeScript. For that npm program is required. This program is required. To install npm program, we are installing Node.js. That's the concept of this. Okay. Yes. Now here, already explained you how to install a Node.js. Go to this Google. Okay. You can go with the website nodejs.org. On this website we have nodejs.org. Yes. Then here you can download the required software 15.9 something I'm downloading. Yes. Now it is downloaded almost. Show in folder. And double click. Next. So I accepted terms and conditions. Next install. Like. Okay. Click on this. Yes, what? Yes. Now why we are installing this Node.js? To get npm program. Yes. Now it is installed. Click on this finish. So now we got npm program. We want to check whether it is installed successfully or not. Open the command prompt. Okay. Now I am going to open command prompt here. Yes. Now node-v. If you use this one, then you will get the version of Node.js. Node.js 15.9 has been installed. Okay. For example, npm-v means npm version we are getting. Now 6.14 is there. Means this node package manager. Actually, after installation of Node.js, it is installing two things. For the first one, Node server, and second one is npm program. Yes, fine. Now here, my requirement is I want to work with this npm program. Okay, so just TypeScript I want to install. npm install TypeScript -g. Yes, means in global location I'm installing this TypeScript, right? Yeah. So if you observe this one, TypeScript, okay, that version 4.1 is installed. Okay. Now we are ready to work with this TypeScript. This TypeScript is very important for us because in order to work with Angular applications, TypeScript is very important. That's why first I'm explaining you the concepts of TypeScript. Once we clear with these TypeScript concepts, then we will discuss the concepts of Angular. Okay. So once again, if you observe, first I install Node.js, right? Yes. So Node.js we install to get the npm program. Okay. After that, we install TypeScript. So which command I have given to install the TypeScript? npm install, that the command which I have given to install the TypeScript. So npm install, then that package you want to install TypeScript, you can use npm install the package name TypeScript, or you want to install Angular, then we can use npm install Angular. You want to install React, npm install React. Like that, we are using that package name. Is this clear? Yes. So now we are working with the programs of TypeScript. Yes. Yeah. So we are working with the programs of TypeScript. Now how to use these TypeScript programs we are discussing now. So yesterday I told you TypeScript file name. Okay, we should provide .ts extension for the name of TypeScript file .ts. Next one. So while working with this TypeScript, we are compiling this TypeScript program. So for that we are using tsc command. which command tsc for the compilation. So then it generates JavaScript file. This JavaScript file we are linking with browser. Is it clear? Because after compilation of TypeScript, we are working with the JavaScript file. Browser can understand JavaScript code. Browser cannot understand TypeScript code. Yes. So that's why for programmer convenient, we are using TypeScript. But for browser understanding, we are using JavaScript only. Is it clear? Yes. So in programming point of view, we are creating the program with TypeScript because it is supporting many things. Simple program is there like that. But finally, it is converting into JavaScript. Yes, yeah. Now we can also place JavaScript code inside the TypeScript, right? Okay. One example I'm explaining to you. Simple program I'm creating. So first of all, there is a folder with name class, new folder, B86 I have given. Yes. Tomorrow, no class. Someone sent me message. And till now, no programming concept started. Okay. So Monday onwards, no notes will start for you. Okay. I will give you the notes. I will upload in the server. You can download from that server. Okay. Yes. Now this is B86 folder. So just a small program I'm creating. File save as. Desktop, we have class folder there, B86. Yeah. Demo.tsl. I'm given this file name about that, demo.ts. Now, that TypeScript file I created here. Okay, yes. Now, this is demo.ts. Here, alert welcome message I'm displaying. And the message, welcome message. Alert is JavaScript function, right? So I told you we can use JavaScript inside the TypeScript. So we can use JavaScript inside the TypeScript. That's what I'm doing here. I'm displaying one message here, alert. That is JavaScript function to display the message box, right? Which message we are displaying? Welcome message. Now, if you observe this one, this is demo dot. Yes, demo dot. Which file we got here? TS file. Now, this demo.ts file, I want to compile. I told you, once you compile this file, you will get .js file, right? Yes. Select this one and use cmd command prompt. Okay. Yes. So here, direct command prompt in class folder, B86 folder you want to open. So no need to go to this run command and cd double dot like that. That entire path is waste for us. Directly what we can do, simply we are using, yes, select this one and type cmd. Okay, yes. Now just I'm using tsc demo.tsm. Now press enter. Now it is checking for errors. If no errors are there, okay, then it is converting into okay, yes. If no errors are there, it is converting into JavaScript file. Now if you observe here, we got .js file like this. Okay, yeah, this JavaScript file we are using in our HTML programs. Okay, so like that here, Angular functionalities are already implemented by using TypeScript. In order to use those functionalities, okay, we are using JavaScript. Means first we are compiling into JavaScript. That JavaScript we are linking with our HTML programs. Now I will explain you how to link with HTML program. Now here, just 1 second. Yeah. So new edit place I'm using. Save this. Now in which location? Desktop. In this desktop location, just I'm using here class folder. In this class folder, v86 pro.html. What is that? pro.html. Like that, I given this HTML. Is this clear? Now this HTML file, I want to call that JavaScript program. Okay. Now we are taking support of script 10. Yes. Source is equal to demo. Yes. That's all. Simple. And you want to display any extra content in this, just within the body, hi message. Means in this scenario, if you observe, I displayed, I am using demo.js file, and inside the body, I am taking hi message like this. Now the thing is, if I double click on this one, then welcome message is displayed here. So this welcome message is coming from which location? From that location. What is that? Yes, that demo.js file. And hi is coming from the HTML body. Right? Means if you observe this concept, okay. So in this concept, we have taken that HTML file, JS file, I linked it, which is generated through TypeScript file. So that JS file is generated through TypeScript file. So that's the concept which we discussed here. Got it? Yes. I think you clear with this concept, right? Yeah. Any doubts, any questions you have, you can ask me now. How to install this TypeScript we discussed. and how to create the TypeScript program and how to compile that TypeScript program. So these concepts we discussed. Now you can ask me one question. We are creating TypeScript program and we are converting into JavaScript file. That file we are using in our HTML program. So this is unnecessary time-taking process according to you. Okay, you may feel like that. This is unnecessary time-taking process. Instead of that, directly we can use. Okay, directly we can use that TypeScript JavaScript code in our application. You may think like that. Yes, but it is not possible to use it directly because Angular functionalities are already implemented with TypeScript. So in order to download those, in order to use those functionalities, we should know TypeScript concepts. That's the first point. And if you take second point, in programming point of view, TypeScript is very simpler than JavaScript. So one example I will show you, you will get clarity. Now where is this is TS file. Yes. TypeScript file, one object I want to access from another object. Now, so save this file. After compilation, okay, yes, it is converting into JavaScript. Now you can see how much lines of code it is in JavaScript. Okay, where is the JavaScript program? Okay, let me reopen this one. Yes. So for that concept, 25 lines code is there. In case if I use let's cart, save this, and if I take the up arrow, then here in the JavaScript file, you can see Scott in the message which we got. Okay, means if it is simple statement, that is no problem. Yes. For example, if you take the big one, okay, means other statement, something like, so just previous example, if you observe here. In TypeScript, I have written this one, and again tsc demo.ts. Then now JavaScript file is modified to display that message also. Okay, you want to reload? Yes. Now here for the same concept, how many lines of JavaScript code we got? Yes, we got many lines of JavaScript code. Yes, it is clear. That's the main purpose of this concept here. Okay. So like that, if we observe this concept, okay, in this concept we have TypeScript file and how to convert the TypeScript file into JavaScript with comparison. These points we have discussed, right? Okay, fine. Now we are discussing the programming concepts in TypeScript. Okay, yes. So first I'm starting with one concept, what the data types. TypeScript supports many data types to declare variables. Yes, it is supporting different types of data types at the time of variable declarations. Is it clear? Yes. What are these data types we have? Those are number, string, boolean, any, undefined. And null is also there. So here number, if you observe this number, it can store the numeric value. String, collection of characters it is storing. Next one, boolean. Yes. So boolean, if you take here, it can store either true or false. Yes. Yeah. Boolean data type can store either true or false. Next one, any. This data type can store any value like string and next one integer, yes, like boolean, etc. And next one undefined. Yes. So this data type can store no value, actually means variable cannot be defined. Actually we don't use undefined anywhere, and null can maintain null value. So sometimes we are using null, but in rare cases undefined we don't use anyway. Yes. So main data types are number, string, boolean, and any. If we take JavaScript, JavaScript is not supporting data types. Why? Because it is loosely typed script. So that's why it is not supporting any data types. But if we take TypeScript is type safe. That's why it supports different types of data types like number, string, boolean, and any. Is it clear? It's like that. So now we are discussing how to work with these data types. How to create the program to work with these data types. Now just variables. At the time of declaration of variables, we are using one keyword. Which keyword we are using to declare the variables? Var. Yes. Var is the keyword to declare variables in the TypeScript. Where name of the variable we are providing something like serial number colon type of this variable number. So here at the time of providing the data type, we are using variable name colon type number I have given is equal to 100. So let serial number means we are displaying on the message box I have given. Let serial number, right? Okay. Now save this and go to this compiler tsdemo.ts. Now it is recompiled and JavaScript file is generated Already the JavaScript file is linked with our HTML program, right? Yes, the HTML program which we have. Already the JS file is linked with our HTML program. Now, if I run this program as this HTML program, then you will get the updated information. So that's why here, refresh the browser. Then we are getting 100 as output. Yes, yeah. Next line, serial number is equal to Scott and serial number. Means we are getting that Scott message. Okay. So, but this is error. Why? Because what the original data type number is there. So, but we are using assigning string. If I recompile this, we are getting this error message. Yes, like that. So if you observe this concept, right? In this concept, we are using number data type. Okay, that number data type we have to store in this variable. If you store any invalid data type, then it will not work out. Where un colon string is equal to abcd. Un colon string is equal to abcd. Now let yes, what this username we are printing that one. Save this, and if I refresh this program, then we can see 100 is there and Scott. Where x colon any is equal to true. And let x. Okay. Means we are storing any type of value in this variable x. Again, x colon any is equal to true. So any means we can store any type of value like true or false. Okay. I am using let x. Okay, already we are given. When I refresh 100 Scott. Okay, save this. I am not recompiled. So that's an old JavaScript file only. This coming here. Now we can see we got this output. And if I am refreshing, then 100 ABCD. True is the output which we got. Okay, yes. So here my question is x is equal to, okay, 1, 2, 3. Is it valid or invalid? Yes, it is valid. Any type of value you can store. Now here let x I am using. Then again recompile this one. And if I refresh this, then 100 ABC true, 1, 2, 3, like that we are getting this output. But one more data type is there. What that? Where y colon boolean is equal to true. So in this data type we have to store either true or false only. Is it clear? Like that I given y colon boolean is equal to true. Yes. Yeah. Means we are storing that boolean value. Finally, I'm using let y. Save this and recompile. ABC true, 1, 2, 3, true, like that. These are different types of data types which we have in TypeScript mainly. Yes, yeah. TypeScript supports, yes. So x is equal to true. X we can store anything, no problem, because that is any data type. But y restricted with boolean, and the serial number restricted with number, and un restricted with username. Yes, sorry, string. Un restricted with string, like that. X is any type of value you can store. You can also store string in X. You can store number, boolean, any type of value. Yes, okay. So this is the way how to declare a variable. We must use where keyword, otherwise error will come. Up arrow I am using for compilation. You can see we are getting the error message here. Yes, like that. This is the concept which we are using here. Is clear? Okay. So now we are discussing the next concept, nothing but how to use, okay, watch mode. Okay, that we are discussing here. Hyphen hyphen watch or hyphen w. Using this, we can run program or we can compile program with watch. Yes. So hyphen hyphen w or hyphen w. What is that? Using this, we can compile the program with watch mode. Yes. So now, what is watch mode exactly? Okay. Yes, that we are discussing now. Watch mode is nothing but we are using this watch mode for compilation process. Okay. So here hyphen w is nothing but okay to compile a project with watch mode. Means every time no need to open the command prompt when we do the modifications. Backend automatically it will run this. Okay. Every time no need to use the command prompt. See, for example here hyphen hyphen watch if I use, then watch mode is started. Okay. Now error is coming because program error is there. In this program, so where I have given and save. Again it is recompiling itself. Understand? So now here if I refresh the browser, we are getting the output like this. So for example, I am removing entire script alert. Okay, just Angular I have given like this. Now save this and no need to go to the command prompt now. Okay, directly can run this. This coming like this is about watch mode. Okay, means whenever you are modifying this code, okay, then it will compile in backend. You can see here alert Amit I have given. Save. Then backend, if you observe here that back window, it is blinking, means it is recompiled. This is the concept of watch mode. Yes. Now, if I refresh browser directly, it displays Angular. Every time, no need to recompile this program again and again. So backend automatically watch mode you have given. It is recompiling the program. Yes. Yeah. So just install this TypeScript, okay, and practice this data types program and try to work with this watch mode. Okay. So remaining concepts we'll discuss in next session. and Monday onwards link will change. Your link will change because they stop demos by today. Okay, you will get the new hyper link for this meeting. So that's why, so before coming to the session Monday, you should check your mail. Okay, and we need to discuss Visual Studio Code and many concepts in this TypeScript, and after that I will start the Angular. So in that Angular, database communication, server side API service calls, all these things we are covering here, but for everything TypeScript is required for you. Okay, yeah, Monday is also 6 a.m. only. Yes, yeah. So link only will change, meeting link. Okay, fine. See you in Monday class. You can leave now. And up to 7, we're spending from Monday onwards. Okay. Thank you. You can leave. Monday, I will give you notes also. Monday onwards, everyday class notes I will provide to you. Okay.